Sa sobrang dami ng procedures na ino-offer namin, ito yung mga pinaka binabalik-balikan. Una, Botox. Nag-start ako mag-practice 3 to 4 years ago. Hanggang ngayon, yung mga patients ko nagpa-Botox long time ago, every 6 months, bumabalik talaga sila. No? So, alam niyo naman ang Botox, dapat talaga i-maintain mo yan every 6 months, both as treatment ng mga linya, no? But also for prevention para hindi siya mabaon over time. No? So, I try to keep our Botox price very affordable. Actually, ever since nag-start ako mag-practice, hindi ko ata siya tinaas, no? Kasi nga, gusto ko babalik kayo ng babalik every 6 months. Kung di man every 6 months for my OFW patients every year. Pangalawa, yung acne scar protocol. Favorite talaga yan ng mga acne scar patients ko. Aside from, of course, kailangan mo talaga siyang balikan kasi hindi naman aangat dramatically yung scars mo in just one session, although significant improvement in one session. You really need to come back at least 3 to 5 times. And very happy ako kasi yung mga acne scar patients ko, even from long time ago, actually I recommend just 5 sessions, pero yung iba, 10th, 11th, 12th session na nila, bumabalik pa rin sila. No? Kasi aside from maangat pa rin yung scars nila kahit pa paano, every time they do the acne scar protocol, nag-glow din yung skin kasi nagbabalat, no? Namumuti yung skin. Pangatlong napapansin ko na binabalikan talaga is yung Rejuran, no? Kasi after nung Rejuran, nag-glow talaga yung skin. Yung mga patients ko, kasi yung Rejuran, dapat 2 sessions yan every year. Pag nakita nila yung result after the first session, yung second session kasi, dapat after 1 month, then next year mo na ulit gagawin. Bumabalik talaga sila for the second session kasi nakikita nila yung glow ng skin with the Rejuran. And personally, favorite ko din siya. Nakaka-fresh, nakaka-glow talaga siya ng skin. And last, yung ating glow protocol for melasma. Yung mga melasma patients ko, matagal ko na silang patients. I recommend 5 sessions, no? But yung iba, talagang bumabalik sila at least kung hindi every month, every 3 months, or at least twice a year for the glow protocol as maintenance, no? Kasi every time talaga you do the glow protocol, unti-unti yung melasma naglalighten talaga. If you're curious about any of these procedures or gusto mong magpa-consult, then come visit us sa aming clinic. See you!